Hi, welcome to Cooking with Asher. I'm Asher. Today, I'm going to be making something really simple. I'm going to show you how to make spider dogs. What you'll need is spaghetti and sausages. What I have is a turkey sausage and a beef sausage. First, I'm going to bake the sausages at 375 degrees for 15 minutes in the oven. Now it's ready, and we're gonna cut it in pieces. Now comes the fun part. We're going to break the spaghetti in half. We're going to take 4 pieces and pierce the sausage with it. Now we're going to boil the pasta for 7 minutes. There's around 40,000 species of spiders, but now there's 40,001. Creepy, huh?